hello. This is Latanya, Miss Coach Deloach, and welcome back to my 30 for 30 Financial Challenge, where I'm helping 30 families in 30 days start their journey to financial freedom over the next 30 days. Now, this is a recap video in case you missed the first 5. Let's talk about it real quick. Everyone in America should have 2 financial objectives. We know objective number 1 is that your current lifestyle should be paid for by your labor. You go to work every day to pay your mortgage, to pay your bills, put clothes on your back and food on your table. That's why we go to work every day, and very few people are thinking about objective number 2, which is your future lifestyle. See, you want to work today so you can have money for tomorrow. But what happens when you don't want to work? What happens when you become ill, when you don't want to clock in, right? Or someone is tired of you clocking in, or someone is tired of asking you questions. Either way, you might give yourself a pink slip, or someone else might give you a pink slip. So when you stop working, your finances do not improve. So you need this investment. Remember this, something has to work, just not me. Now, there are 4 things that's keeping you from getting to that financial freedom that you desire, where investments make more money for you than you work for the money. Now, here's why. We talked about number 1, inflation, meaning the value of the dollar goes down every single day. Why? Because at any point of this country, business owners can increase their prices, right? So your $50 bill, your $20 bill, your $1 bill is not as going as far as it used to. So that's called inflation. You have to put your money into things in time that will outpace inflation. The best way to get wealthy is to put your dollar in something and allow inflation now to then push it. So the second hindrance is taxes. We got state taxes, local taxes, sales taxes. About a third of your income disappears out of your paycheck and goes to the government in form of your taxes. That means when you get paid, the government actually get paid first and you get paid second. So why don't you have money to invest? Because a lot of your money is going to Uncle Sam. So I talked about how to minimize your taxes. Challenge number 3 is why your second goal is difficult, but it's caused by inflation and taxes. It's called debt. A sin is something you do. A debt is a curse, which is something that happens to you. So all of that interest that you can mask, that can go towards your second objective if you didn't have to borrow so much. So why do people borrow so much? It's because of the taxes. And why are people struggling? Because of the inflation. So when inflation, taxes, and debt all in the same day at the same time hit you, financial freedom is just out of your reach and out of your control until now. So the 4th challenge is big business. Big businesses play on your fears. They can raise their prices at any time or any rate, right? And so now we have big business, we have inflation, we have taxes, we have debt. I'm going to show you not the problems, but in the latter videos, I will show you the solution. But for right now, I just want you to text the keyword recap. If you're watching this recap video, I just want you to get started today. So now you can learn the solutions to the problems that I've just listed. So make sure you text the keyword recap to 601-720-2063. Again, recap to 601-720-2063. And I will show you $1 million strategies to get you on the right path to financial freedom. Remember, there is no hindrance in financial success because money talks and wealth whispers. I'm signing off. It's Coach Deloach.